impact real-world rule of money today has to do with procrastination, one of our most favorite things, obviously. It must be because everybody does it. So this compares two people, Mr. Start Early and Mr. Wait Longer. The principle here is that the very best time to save money is right now. Right now, because between now and retirement, when is going to be the period of time where you have the most time between now and retirement? Waiting a year? No, that gives us 1 year less. Waiting 2 years gives us 2 years less. And so what this example shows is Mr. Start Early, as it says at the bottom left corner, saves $3,600 per year for 7 years in an 8% tax-deferred account. So starting at age 25, that's $300 a month. Saves $300 a month from 25 years old to 31 years old, putting a total of $25,200 there at the bottom. The total contribution is $25,200 of $300 a month. And then the total accumulation on the far right shows by age 48 what it has accumulated to at 8%. And only putting in $25,000 in those first 7 years grows to be $128,000. You look at the total accumulation for Mr. Wait Longer, and you're like, well, wait a minute, that's not a very good example until we bring it all the way around and see how much more powerful starting early is. Total accumulation gets to $128,000, where Mr. Wait Longer waits 7 years, then starts saving $3,600 a year for 17 years in an 8% tax-deferred account, which is, of course, 7 years later than Mr. Start Early. He does accumulate a couple thousand more dollars, but at what cost? He invests $61,000 to get to $130,000, where Mr. Start Early invests $25,000, less than half, and ends up with the same money, just by starting early. So the difference between Mr. Start Early and Mr. Wait Longer: Mr. Wait Longer invests $61,000. Mr. Start Early invests $25,000, but because the power of compound interest and the rule of 72, which is a real-world rule of money we covered in another on another video, is a drastic difference. But imagine had Mr. Start Early continued to save $3,600 a year, the difference that he would have at the end. And there is never a perfect time to save money. There's never a convenient way, a more convenient way. There's no shortcut. There's no magic program. The very best place to save money is anywhere rather than saving it nowhere. Will get us at least going in a positive direction, because as Zig Ziglar said, that I heard this morning, you can never take step 2 if you never take step 1. Saving more is never going to happen until you save, period. And so Mr. Start Early is an example of getting going right away at age 25, where that should be age 2. Starting at age 2, saving money, right? And learning the power of saving money. And that's our real-world rule of money for today, is don't wait longer. Start early. And there's no such thing as too late. There is no such thing as too late. The very best time to start is today. And then the second best time is tomorrow. And so on and so on, because you're never going to be younger than you are now. And you're never going to have more time than you do now, regardless of how much time you have left on this earth. And that is our real-world rule of money for today.